In today's fast-paced digital world, many individuals are looking for ways to supplement their income or even replace their full-time jobs. One avenue that has gained significant traction in recent years is affiliate marketing. What was once considered a side hustle has now evolved into a lucrative six-figure business for many savvy entrepreneurs. In this article, we will delve into the future of affiliate marketing and explore how you can transform your side hustle into a thriving online empire. The problem: stagnant income and limited opportunities. Many people find themselves stuck in dead-end jobs with little room for growth or financial stability. They yearn for more freedom, flexibility, and control over their own destiny. Affiliate marketing presents an enticing solution to these problems by offering the potential to earn passive income while working from anywhere in the world. The rationale: unlocking financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing provides an opportunity to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and create a life of abundance on your terms. By promoting products or services through your own unique affiliate links, you can earn commissions on every sale generated through your efforts. What you will gain: financial independence. With dedication and strategic planning, affiliate marketing can pave the way towards financial independence. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your bank account is growing while you sleep. Flexibility and freedom. Say goodbye to rigid schedules and office politics. As an affiliate marketer, you have complete control over when, where, and how you work. Unlimited earning potential. Unlike traditional employment where earning potential is often capped by salary structures or promotions, affiliate marketers have no such limitations. Your income potential is only limited by your creativity and effort. How it works: choose your niche. To succeed as an affiliate marketer, it's crucial to select a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. By focusing on a specific niche, you can establish yourself as an authority and build trust with your audience. Build your audience. One of the key drivers of success in affiliate marketing is having a loyal following or customer base. Utilize social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization techniques to attract and engage your target audience. Promote relevant products. Once you have built a solid foundation, it's time to start promoting products or services that are relevant to your niche. Choose reputable affiliate programs that offer high-quality products and attractive commission rates. Create compelling content. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates, consistently provide valuable content that educates and entertains your audience while subtly promoting the products you endorse. Track your results. To optimize your earnings and refine your strategies over time, it's essential to track the performance of your campaigns. Use analytics tools provided by affiliate networks to monitor clicks, conversions, and other key metrics. The future outlook. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, so does the potential for growth in the field of affiliate marketing. With emerging trends such as influencer marketing and artificial intelligence-powered advertising platforms gaining momentum. Conclusion: affiliate marketing has come a long way from being just a side hustle. It has evolved into a legitimate business model capable of generating six-figure incomes for those who are willing to put in the effort. By choosing the right niche. In conclusion, the future of affiliate marketing looks promising for aspiring entrepreneurs seeking financial freedom and flexibility. With its unlimited earning potential, affiliate marketers can unlock new levels of success by leveraging their expertise, building loyal audiences, and promoting relevant products. So why wait? Start building your empire today and pave your own path towards six-figure success.